Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Dola app. Alright, so let's begin. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to create an account or sign in. You can usually continue using options such as your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. Select your preferred method and complete the login process to access the app. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Dola works as an AI-powered assistant that helps organize tasks, schedules, and reminders using natural language. Instead of manually creating everything, you can simply type requests directly into the message box. For example, you can enter something like, "Help me create a study schedule," then tap send. Within a few seconds, the AI can generate suggestions and organize information based on your request. If the app supports reminders and scheduling tools, you can create them by typing simple instructions. For example, you could type a reminder for a meeting or event and follow the prompts shown on the screen. This makes creating schedules feel more conversational and easier to manage. You can also open your profile section, usually found near the top corner of the app. Inside the settings area, you can manage notifications, update account details, and customize preferences according to your needs. Depending on the version of the app and available features, you may also have options to personalize your profile or avatar by adjusting appearance details such as hairstyles, outfits, or other visual elements. After saving your changes, your updated profile can appear throughout different parts of the app. That's the basic process for getting started with Dola and using its AI features to help organize tasks and schedules more efficiently, and that's it. This is how you can use Dola app. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.